Vanakkam. I'm your Rico Chandra, your People Sunday channel. Today's concept is my cooking concept. Okay, you can see a chicken breast, one plate. Okay, today I'm going to do a chicken 65. Chicken 65, you need a normal plate. Okay, to mix the chili powder 2 tablespoons. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Okay, turmeric, manjal tol half teaspoon, turmeric powder. Okay, next coriander powder, malli tol, kottamalli half teaspoon. Okay, next is the yogurt, taira 2 tablespoon. 1 அரைச்ச இஞ்சி பூண்டு 1 tablespoon, garlic and ginger very paste 1 spoon. அடுத்தது வந்து சோள மாவு cornflour 1 spoon. Okay, 1 egg உடைச்ச முட்டை mix. So எல்லாம் போட்டுட்டு நல்லா mix பண்ணுங்க. Already inside ready. So try to mix all the curry powders, the egg, ginger. Right, நல்லா mix பண்ணுங்க. Okay, paste வந்து இப்படி வரணும். You see the thing I mix the color, you know, well mixed. Okay, nicely do it. Okay, 1 spoon of salt. Okay, தேவையான அளவு. See how much. Then you mix. Okay, now you can mix the chicken breast which I cut pieces. So try to mix. Mix well, நல்லா கலக்குங்க. Chicken 65. நல்லா mix பண்ணுங்க. Mix very well. Okay, பாருங்க, you see already well mixed area. So you need to have 30 minutes. Make it marinate for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, the first set all done already. Okay. After 30 minutes, then I do a second set for fry. I will see you later. Hi friends, now second set. You can see the chicken already done. Okay, I'm going to fry now, one by one. Chicken 65. Very separate way. Make it fried very well. நல்லா பொரிக்கணும். பாருங்க, make it deep fried. Change color. I'm hungry. Hi, already done my chicken 65. Okay, now for a deco, to put on top curry leaf, karapula and chili. Okay. Friends, chicken 65 done ready. Paranga, looks so nice. Okay, home cook, you also can do that. Okay, please subscribe my channel, Rico Chandra. Thank you so much for sharing.